Hello guys, this is a basic introduction into HTML. Now, what do we know about HTML? We all know that HTML is can be defined as the full meaning of HTML is hypertext markup language. So, if you think HTML is a programming language, well, you're wrong because HTML is like giving an instruction to the web page I'm about to put this text into display. It's not like a programming language. Now, HTML can be used in order to give content the basic structure of a web page. Without HTML, there will be no structure to the web page. Yeah. So in HTML, there is different ways or different text editors you can use in order to be able to practice this HTML. So you can use Notepad, you can use Sublime Text, you can use Atom, you can use Visual Studio Code, or you can use any other text editor you want to use. But for me, I think the best editor is VS Code in full Visual Studio Code because it enables us with cool features in order to make our programming of the programming very easy and easy to and very reliable. Now, in HTML, there is different things, different ways you can apply HTML, right? You can open every HTML content always have different steps. This Google, right? They use HTML to build the structure, CSS to design the structure, JavaScript to manipulate how the structure will be like, and any other programming language, right? So, in order for you to be able to understand HTML very well, you need to know where and when to use HTML. Every web browser must have HTML in order to function, in order for JavaScript to manipulate even the slightest bit of code, right? So once now I'm going to go through the steps on how you can apply this HTML. But before that, I want you to know, go to your browser like this and then you can download Visual Studio Code. Now all we just need to do right now is come here and say download VS Code, right? Then we can come here and press download, right? And then if you are using Windows, you download for Windows. If you are using Mac, you can download for Mac, and you can also download if you are using any of these components. Just press download and it will download. So once you are done downloading, press the download button and it will just go through. So then once it has downloaded, you don't need to run it, and then you open VS Code. Once you are done downloading it, you open VS Code, right? And then you download Live Server, because that's what we're mostly going to use in our upcoming project. What we're going to do, this is what we're going to mostly use to upload our programming on the web page. So see you in the next video. I'm going to discuss about paragraph and header tags.